make a couple casts. I see a fish. I got a fish, guys.
You are?
Yep, I'm on. Smallmouth bass. Nice smallmouth bass. Guys, this is a good smallmouth bass. I ain't caught one like this for a while.
Oh boy, here we go.
It's been a couple days.
Nice smallie. Way nice smallie. Look at that. Hurry, flip him.
Flip them.
He choked it. He choked it. Flip him.
Oops. Wow, he fucked me up.
Wow, that's a decent smallmouth. Like, way good. First fish of the day?
First fish of the day, boys.
We'll measure them.
Hold the rod.
Yep, I got you. I'm gonna set it down.
See this, guys? Nice fucking smallie.
Yep, hold it up, hold it up. Yeah.
Nice.
I'll get the tape measure.
Alright, get it.
You got the GoPro recorded?
Yep, hell
sweet,
yeah.
Sweet, sweet, sweet. I can hold them if you want.
Okay, grab him. Whip him.
Oh, I got him. Yeah, nice. You got a nice one.
Sorry, I just don't want my reel in the sand.
Yeah, you go.
That one's in the sand, fucking. He's like 14 and a half. She's 14. He's curling the shit. 15 almost. 15.
Nice one. You want to hold them?
I'll hold him.
For the release?
Alright, guys, I'm gonna let him go. We ain't gonna weigh him, don't want to hurt him.
Yep.
Alright, chat, y'all ready? About to see her go. About to see her go, chat. Nice.
Hell yeah, dude. Wow, that's a decent smallmouth. Like, way good. Yeah. First fish of the day?
First fish of the day, boys.
We'll measure them.
Hold the rod.
Yep, I got you. Here, I'm gonna set it down.
See this, guys? Nice fucking small.
Yep, hold it up, hold it up. Yeah.
Nice. He's 14. He's curling the shit. 15 almost. 15.
Nice one. You want to hold them for the release?
Alright, guys, I'm gonna let him go. We ain't gonna weigh him, don't want to hurt him.
Yep.
Alright, chat, y'all ready? About to see her go. About to see her go, chat.
Hell yeah, dude.
We're on another one, guys. I had to turn the camera on real quick. This one's a walleye. Walleye, Sam, walleye.
Oh boy.
Nice one, guys.
Walleye.
He's going on the goddamn stringer, guys.
Wow. Wow, we eating, boy.
We eat
So
him,
good,
boy.
boy.
Nice walleye.
We're gonna have to walk back.
Not yet.
You got the stringer, right?
I got the stringer.
Oh yeah. You don't wanna. You're pushing it out like this other side of his mouth. No, you don't get. You know you're fat, buddy. No, hell no. You're gonna have to cut that out. Oh, he tried. He tried.
Okay, drop him.
Now he's got the.
Yeah, drop him. You're good.
Hit. There. Now it's just coiled up.
Now he's on that bitch. Alright.
Alright. You want to hold him while I stick this in the
Yeah,
ground?
stick that shit in the
Should I
ground.
stick it like out here in the ground or like in the water?
Somewhere where we won't fuck it up. Alright, chat, he's going in the water, guys.
You can put him around that. That's in there. Hopefully you don't try to swim away.
Nah, he just unzipped.
You gotta tie that around. Okay, good. Man.
Sam.
Let's
Come here,
go.
boy.
Let's go. Here, I'll take it.
Look at the minnows. They're getting their get back on his ass.
I got no fucking.
Chat. We catch fish, boy.
I can't see anything. We on?
It's a channel,
It is?
I think.
It's swimming towards us. Big catfish? Big catfish?
It's a channel.
Oh boy.
It's a channel.
It's a big channel. Holy crap.
If this is a bass, bro.
Is it?
A PB bass?
Oh my god, it is a big bass.
No, it ain't.
It's a carp.
Nice carp.
What the heck? Well, he's going back, but that was nice. Take on the worm.
Beat his ass to the eagle.
The eagle might come down for him. Nice. I got the rod. Watch that. Oh, I'm gonna keep looking back at that other pole just in case. Oh my god, it's getting hit, bro. It's getting hit. It's getting hit. I'm not even lying.
Here, look. Get the
Carp.
release on his ass. Y'all ready?
Something hitting it anymore?
Big as hell.
Yeah, there he goes. I was getting like little taps on it when I looked back. Might have got stolen. What do you got?
I don't know.
Is it swimming towards?
Yep.
Might be a catfish.
Carp. Bass.
No, it's a bass. Looks like a smallie.
Largemouth.
Largie? Wow. Still no pike yet though, but yeah, that's a largie. That's a good largie too.
Nice little largemouth bass.
I was just about to cast out too. Yeah. Oh yeah, boy. Oh, the eagle.
Nice bass.
Nice bass for real.
We're gonna let him go.
Yeah.
Y'all ready? I'm on the smallmouth.
He's gonna be a thrasher.
Sheesh. Fire. Go on, boy.
He splashed the hell out of me.
Sam just caught a nice walleye on a fucking night crawler.
Yeah.
Is he an eater?
Yeah.
He an eater.
We're gonna measure him, but he'll make a sandwich.
We'll measure him. Sheesh, nice. Sam on a fish on a night crawler.
Oh, dude.
No net though. We ain't got the net. We're
I
trying
think
to
it is a carp.
get a look on
I got
this.
him wrapped up in the other line.
Fuck.
What the hell is it?
It's a carp. I seen him.
It is?
Yep.
Oh yeah. Same one. He fighting hard. He kind of big. Should I go under? Yeah. He's in the tree. Tripping over.
I think it's a different one.
Yeah. Different kind almost. Big though.
Yeah, let's grab his bitch ass same time as last.
Oh, he hooked deep, son. He's gonna die, boy. He might have to be cut bait now. Right in the gill.
In the gill?
In the gill.
Alright, like, I'll drop him. Fuck. Alright, chat. This one might be done for. We're gonna try to do surgery, but
Probably ain't happening.
he might be catfish bait.
No. We got one side left on there. No, our other ear, but we're gonna have one more of these fillets coming. This fillet is decent. Cheeks are right here. We're gonna have 2 more cheeks. But this guy's filleting up that last one right now. Fillets. Got a wing. Cheeks. Fire. Fresh caught walleye today. We got lemon pepper seasoning, egg wash so it sticks. A little bit of that oil.
I can't believe that.